Hello, I'm Younggun Kim, the CEO of Acellcare. I'll explain how to use the Acellcare device. This is the power button. This is for time. 5, 10, 15 minutes. This is the level button. It's for intensity. LMH. Press and hold for 2 seconds to switch to power mode. LMH. There are 6 levels in total. I'll try it on my wrist. For the wrist, I'll use normal mode H. Apply plenty of gel, and if you look closely, you can see if the ultrasound is working. See it vibrating? This means it's working properly. If it doesn't work like this, please contact us. Now for the wrist. The time is set to 5 minutes. Our product has a motion detection sensor. Move it when it beeps, and as you move it about 5 millimeters to 1 centimeter at a time, you'll find the area being stimulated. Let's say it's right here. You'll feel the stimulation after about 1 to 2 minutes. Massage mainly around this specific area. If the stimulation is too intense, slowly massage the surrounding area before focusing back on that spot. There's no need to rotate it like this. Once you find the stimulated area, focus your massage there. Now for the knee. For the knee area, I'll also move it whenever it beeps. In my case, I'll try power mode H. The time is set to 15 minutes. Move it when it beeps, and as you move it about 5 millimeters to 1 centimeter, you'll find the area being stimulated. Move it back and forth over that spot, but if it's too uncomfortable, massage around it. Don't just rotate it around. Don't rotate it like this. Find the spot and massage it slowly. And if the stimulation is too strong, do the sides. Similarly, for the elbow, I'll try normal mode H. The time is set to 5 minutes. I'll move it when it beeps. I'll move it when it beeps. After about 1 or 2 minutes, you'll feel the stimulation. Massage that area, and if it feels too uncomfortable, slowly massage the surrounding area. It's in close contact, right? The most important thing with ultrasound is close contact. Now massage slowly like this. Don't shake it around like this. Find the spot and then massage it slowly. Also, elbow pain is often caused by overusing the wrist. So if you have elbow pain, massage your wrist for 5 minutes to loosen up the muscles. Don't loosen the muscles like this. Loosen them slowly like this. 5 minutes for the wrist, 5 for the inner muscle, and 5 for the elbow. Do this once a day for 5 days, rest for a day or 2, and repeat for about 10 sessions. You'll see great improvement after 5 to 10 sessions. I believe life is divided into 2, life with ultrasound and life without it. Before I knew about ultrasound, I lived with constant discomfort. But now that I know, I can take care of my aches and pains at home anytime. Getting to know my body through this care has made me so much happier. I want you to experience this too, so please give ultrasound a try for yourself. Thank you.